Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Safari cannot establish secure connection on your iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video. This error normally occurs when Safari cannot verify a website's SSL certificate or establish a secure HTTPS connection. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check date and time. This is going to be the most common fix. Simply go ahead and open your settings, then simply go ahead and open general, and inside of here click on date and time and make sure that set to automatically is turned on. The second thing you want to do is again head into settings, head into apps, and then you want to look for Safari. Click on it and then scroll all the way down until you find clear history and website data, and simply go ahead and do so. If you are using a VPN, turn it off to see if that also fixes the issue. And the final step you want to follow is head straight into general settings, head into transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset network settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.